Hi, husband. A big congratulations on your graduation. The journey was not easy at all for both of us, but you know what? We all together made it, and the 2 years passed like in a jiffy. I have witnessed all your hard work, your assignments, your studies, your work, and I'm so thankful to you that despite of having a bad schedules, you gave time to us, and I'm so proud of you to see your accomplishments. I have been and I will be always there for you, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Bye.
Hi, Papa. Happy graduation. I missed you so much those Mondays when you were in college. But you know what? It's okay. Mama took care of me and Sora. Bye. Hi, Papa. Happy graduation. Bye.
आज का दिन हमारे परिवार के लिए बहुत गौरवशाली एवं ऐतिहासिक है। 2 वर्ष की कड़ी मेहनत का फल आज हमारे राजा बाबू को प्राप्त होने वाला है। यूएस की बहुत रेप्यूटेड यूनिवर्सिटी आज कन्वोकेशन डे पे राजा बाबू को एमबीए की डिग्री प्रदान करेगी। हम सभी परिवार के सदस्यों के तरफ से इस ऐतिहासिक दिवस पर राजा बाबू एवं परिवार को बहुत बहुत बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं हैं। हम उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हैं और इस उपलब्धि के लिए परिवार के सहयोग की सराहना करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Fufa ji.
Hello Rajiv ji. Congratulations. Congratulations on successful completion of your executive MBA.
We can understand it was not so easy for you, but you have done a great job. We are proud of you.
Hello Fufa ji, congratulations for your MBA completion. We are proud of you. You did an amazing job. Bye bye.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो भैया। हम लोग की शुभकामनाएं हमेशा आपके साथ हैं।
Congratulations Rajiv ji for successful completion of your MBA and wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you. Bye bye.
Congratulations Masaji for completion of your MBA.
Hi Rajiv. Congratulations on the successful completion of your business administration degree. Hope this will see you fly higher and higher in your career. God bless from the captain. जीजा जी, बाय बाय।
एमबीए के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई हो राजीव जी। आपके सफल और उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ।
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं राजीव बेटा। खुश रहो, बहुत अच्छे से रहो।
Congratulations Rajiv ji.
Congratulations Rajiv on completing MBA. Best of luck for your future endeavor.
Congrats Fufa ji. Congrats Fufa ji.
Congratulations.
Bye.
एमबीए की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो राजीव जी।
Hello Rajiv ji, many happy congratulations to complete your graduation MBA this year. We are very happy. Cheers.
Hey Jiju, wish you a very big congratulations to complete your MBA and your well-deserved success. Lots of love and pride.
All the best, Mochaji.
Many celebrations.
Many congratulations भैया।
Good job भैया।
MBA पास करने का आपको बधाई। Congratulations. Many celebration.
Congratulations.
बधाई हो भैया आपको। MBA पास करने में आपको बधाई।
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो भैया।
हम दोनों भाइयों की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई।
बहुत बहुत बधाई।
हाय राजू, MBA के तुमको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। MBA पास कर गया, हम लोग को बहुत खुशी हुई। तुमसे तुम्हारे नीचे वाले को और भी प्रेरणा मिलेगी।
हाय राजीव बाबू, जय श्री राम। कैसे हैं? एमबीए की बहुत बहुत ढेर सारी बधाई आपको। आप बहुत खुश रहिए, खूब खुश रहिए, खूब मस्त रहिए और आप सबके लिए प्रेरणादायक बनिए। ये हमारी शुभकामना है आपके लिए। जय श्री राम।
हम लोग के तरफ से तुमको
बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामना आपको राजीव बाबू, बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामना आपको। हम बड़े मामा आपको
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन बड़े मामा, आपने MBA कंप्लीट किया अपना, और आप हम लोग के लिए इंस्पिरेशन हैं, इंस्पिरेशन थे और इंस्पिरेशन रहिएगा।
हाँ बड़े मामा, और आपको हम लोग इतना एम्बिशियस देख के हम लोग को और मोटिवेशन मिलता है मामा। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ मोटिवेटर।
थैंक यू बड़े मामा।
Hi Balu Mama, Namaste. I just come to know that you are about to graduate from esteemed university. I can say you are about to complete your executive MBA. So I would like to congrats you from the very bottom of my heart and wish you a great success in future endeavor. A luck for today and for coming tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.
Congratulations Rajiv ji for completion of your MBA. Bye bye.
Hi Rajiv uncle. Happy graduation and congratulations on your MBA degree.
Hi Rajiv uncle. Congratulations. I hope you have an amazing day and good job with your MBA. Thanks.
Hi Gayan Naresh. Hope the tassel will be good with your hassle. Happy graduation. I'm sure it brought a lot of cheer in your life and everyone's life. And enjoy the day and the moments, and I'm sure you will cherish it. Good luck.
Hi Rajiv, happy graduation. Congratulations on your MBA.
Hi Rajiv, we have seen you put in so much of effort for the past 2 years. So glad that your hard work paid off. Congratulations, and congratulations to Swati and kids too for their patience and support.
Congratulations.
Congratulations once again.
Hi Rajiv, congratulations on your graduation. You've worked so hard for this.
And you totally deserve it.
Way to go!
Yay! Congrats, Greg!
Hey Rajiv, congratulations on your graduation. I know you went through a lot of hard times during the last couple of years, and it's a big congratulations for you. And especially I want to even congratulate Swati for keeping up with you for 2 years, taking care of kids. So congrats, all the best. We'll meet soon.
Hi Rajiv, congratulations on your graduation. I will also congratulate Swati. Having 2 little kids, it's really not easy, and she also made it through with you. So congratulations to the whole family and all the best.
Congratulations Rajiv ji on your well-deserved success.
Hey Rajiv ji, be proud of your hard work and great achievements. Congratulations Rajiv ji. We are so happy and excited of your success. Well done. Once again, congratulations Rajiv ji.
Congratulations.
Rajiv uncle on your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure. Knowledge never ends.
ये राजीव जी, आपके MBA कंप्लीट होने के उपलक्ष्य में आपको और आपके पूरे परिवार को बहुत बहुत बधाई। और हम ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं हम सब लोग कि आप लोग हमेशा ही इसी तरह अपने जीवन में तरक्की करते रहें। यही हमारी शुभकामना है और ये हमारा आशीर्वाद है आप लोग।
Hi Rajiv, congratulations on your graduation. Lot of hard work went into this, and finally it's concluded. A lot of weekends and a lot of weeknights. Sacrifice from family, Swati and kids, and letting you study and complete your prestigious degree from such a renowned school. So it's all going to be worth it for sure. So happy for you. I'm really happy for you, and congratulations to you and Swati again. And don't forget कि हर सफल इंसान के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है. So be thankful to her and have fun. All right, thank you.
Not only we have a common name, not only we are from the same country, not only we are from the same state in that country, also from the same city in the country. We also went to the same school in the USA, and we both are a Tar Heel fan. Congratulations, Rajiv. So glad that we got in the same class, same batch, and glad that I got an opportunity to sit in the class with you and learn so many things. Looking forward to the continued friendship. All the best wishes. Bye.